I have 5 stocks that I believe are going to absolutely explode as we move through September into October. These are not small plays. These are not random penny stocks. These are companies positioned right in the middle of some of the biggest megatrends in the market today. And I'm personally going all in on them because when you look at the charts, the growth and the catalyst lined up, the upside potential is insane. Now, before we dive in, let me be clear. This is not financial advice. I'm sharing what I'm doing, what I see, and why I believe these names are about to deliver major gains. You should always do your own research and make your own decisions. With that said, if you love this kind of high-conviction market breakdown, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and let's get right into it. The first stock is Applied Digital, ticker APLD. This company is quickly becoming one of the most important players in AI infrastructure. Everyone talks about NVIDIA when they talk AI, but here's the truth. NVIDIA can build the chips, but someone has to supply the massive GPU clusters, the power, and the data center infrastructure to actually run AI at scale. That's where APLD comes in. They're building specialized high-performance computing data centers optimized for AI training, inference, and massive workloads. We're talking about facilities designed to house the exact kind of GPUs that AI companies are fighting over right now. Demand is exploding. Every single AI company needs more compute power, and APLD is right at the heart of it. The stock has been gaining momentum, but I believe it's still under the radar compared to the big AI names. That means the upside is huge. It's essentially a picks and shovels play on the AI boom, and history shows that these types of companies can 10x when the megatrend matures. Now let's talk about Tesla, ticker TSLA. This one needs no introduction, but what's happening right now is way bigger than most investors realize. Elon Musk has doubled down. He just put over $1 billion of his own money into Tesla stock. That's not a small move. When the CEO, the founder, the guy who knows the business better than anyone else, is willing to personally put $1 billion into the stock, that's a massive signal. On top of that, Tesla is about to unlock new revenue streams that people aren't fully pricing in yet. The robo-taxi network is moving closer. Full self-driving continues to improve. Energy storage is scaling faster than ever. And here's the kicker. Tesla is not just an EV company anymore. It's an AI company, it's an energy company, and it's building the most powerful real-world AI fleet in history through its cars. The Q3 delivery numbers and the shareholder plan coming up are just more fuel. TSLA has already proven it can run 10x in the past, and with Elon putting his own cash on the table, I think we're about to see another monster move. Next up is SoFi Technologies, ticker SoFi. This one gets overlooked, but it's becoming a true disruptor in the financial industry. SoFi isn't just a fintech app. It's a fully licensed bank with a technology platform that powers other financial institutions as well. That's huge. They're attracting millions of members, they're growing deposits, and they're expanding into lending, investing, and banking all at once. The market has punished fintech stocks over the last couple of years, but the tide is turning. Interest rates are peaking, the Fed is expected to cut in the near future, and that's going to ease a lot of pressure on lending businesses. SoFi is positioned perfectly to benefit from that shift. On top of it, they have a young, loyal customer base that traditional banks just can't reach. This is the type of stock that can go from single digits into the 20s and 30s as growth accelerates. People underestimate how valuable a tech-first bank can be in a world where money is moving digital at lightning speed. That's why I'm loading up here. The fourth stock is a name most people aren't paying attention to yet. TEM. This company is all about positioning in the energy transition, and what excites me most here is the timing. The global economy is shifting toward clean energy, electrification, and new infrastructure. Every government is pouring billions into it. Companies that have the right technology and the right footprint are about to ride one of the biggest capital waves of our lifetime. TEM is in that sweet spot. It's early, it's not crowded, and the stock price hasn't caught up to the potential. These are the plays that can go from quiet to breakout seemingly overnight when a catalyst hits. And with energy demand surging alongside AI and electrification, I believe TEM has the setup for massive gains. And finally, let's talk about Rigetti Computing, ticker RGTI. Quantum computing is not just some sci-fi dream anymore. It's real, it's coming fast, and the companies leading in this space are going to be the backbone of the next computing revolution. RGTI is one of those leaders. They're building quantum processors that can solve problems classical computers simply cannot. Industries like pharmaceuticals, finance, logistics, and AI will all need quantum computing power to unlock breakthroughs. Right now, the market cap on RGTI is tiny compared to the potential. It's a pure play on quantum, and if you believe like I do that quantum computing is inevitable, then these early leaders are going to see exponential growth. Just imagine buying into Nvidia or AMD back when they were penny stocks. That's the kind of opportunity we're looking at with Rigetti. So let's recap. APLD is the infrastructure backbone for AI. Tesla is more than an EV company. It's the leader in real-world AI and energy, and Elon Musk is betting $1 billion of his own money on it. SoFi is disrupting banking and fintech with technology and scale. TEM is riding the clean energy and infrastructure boom at just the right time. And RGTI is leading in quantum computing, one of the most transformative technologies of the next decade. These are not hype plays. These are strategic moves into companies that are positioned in the center of unstoppable megatrends. Now, I want to make something very clear. When I say I'm going all in, I mean I'm building serious conviction positions in these stocks. That doesn't mean I expect them to go straight up every day. Volatility is part of the game. Stocks move in cycles. But what matters is where they're headed over the next 6 months, 12 months and beyond. And when I look at the catalysts, the AI boom, Elon's conviction in Tesla, fintech disruption, clean energy spending, and quantum breakthroughs, I see the potential for massive upside. These are the names that could double, triple, even 10x from here if the trends play out. And look, I'm not saying this lightly. I've been through multiple market cycles. I've seen the dot-com boom, the housing crash, the crypto cycles, the rise of Tesla and Nvidia. What I've learned is that the biggest money is made by identifying the megatrends early and holding conviction in the right names. APLD, Tesla, SoFi, TM, and RGTI are, in my opinion, exactly those names right now. So here's what I want you to do. Take a hard look at these stocks, research them, dig into their financials, their roadmaps, their partnerships. Don't just take my word for it. Build your own conviction. Because when the wave hits, and I believe it's already building, the people who prepared, who positioned themselves, are the ones who are going to see life-changing gains. If you got value from this breakdown, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment with which of these stocks you're most excited about. I love hearing your thoughts and building this community of investors who are looking for the next big opportunities. Stay focused, stay ready, and I'll see you in the next one.